Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a two-handed figure 8 Wurlitzer. Knowing how to do a standard two-handed figure 8 would be really helpful, so link to that in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find. Assuming you've got something like that in your repertoire, we can jump straight in. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So let's break it down. Starts like a standard two-handed figure 8. So it's two hands little prep, turn the lady into your double cross, return the lady. This is where it changes. The left goes low, the right stays high. The guy turns left, so he's wrapping himself in. The hand gets to the hip and is released. The guy continues to turn, dips the right, takes it through the middle over the lady for her turn. A Wurlitzer, prepare, return spin, and catch. We'll show it from the other side to give the other view and talk numbers. So we go back to two hands. 1, turn the lady 2, double cross on 3, return the lady 4, guys go round 5, ladies go round 6, Wurlitzer, prepare 7, return spin 8, and catch 1. So let's try it together and see how it goes. Here we go. 5, 6, two-handed figure 8 Wurlitzer. It's a back. Ladies go round. And look. Ladies, guys, ladies, Wurlitzer, prepare, return spin and catch. And that is that. Hope it works well for you out there on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, providing you've got notifications turned on in the settings. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this to, such as a link to a music video of a tune that would be good for this. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.